Hello guys, Uniwa Peanut here, and today I'm back in Minecraft, and in my welcoming, I will be reading my poem back when I was playing this game. So sit back and relax and enjoy.
I remember this place, not because it stayed the same, but because I changed while it waited. My bed, it's still here, the one I placed on my first night, when the darkness scared me. But I'm not the same person who slept in it last. My dog still sits by the door, tail frozen, still waiting for a let's go. The farms, all grown wild, the wheat I planted for tomorrow is finally ready. But the tomorrow never came. My old tools lie in a chest, unbroken, like they still believe I'd take them on one more adventure. Every torch I place burn alone in the silence, still hoping I'd come back to see what they protected. The villagers don't remember my name, but they remember my traits. The emeralds I gave them still sparkle like unanswered messages. In the raven I once feared, my faint cobblestone bridges hang like a memories, proof that I once tried to cross the impossible. Well, the world didn't forget me. It paused, half-generated chunks waiting for a player who never log out properly. And now, with shaky hands, I press play. The music whispers like a friend who lost hope but never stopped waiting. I still return slower, a little broken, but this world never blamed me. It just loads a little longer, like it's trying not to cry. Welcome back, it says in soft pixels. You were gone for ages, but your home never stopped existing.